NTK Europe was established in 1997 with the production of turned mechanical components. Our collaboration with ZELL Group began in 2016 and remains active. NTK Europe's production is characterized as precision mechanical manufacturing. The increasing cleanliness requirements for our parts led us to seek solutions for precision cleaning processes. Positioning the parts in dedicated ZELL Group products allowed for rotational cleaning cycles without the parts coming into contact with one another, thus preventing damage. The products we purchase from ZELL Group include stainless steel baskets with corresponding tray lids and various models of clips that attach to the trays. These clips serve as housings for the parts, and their multiple designs accommodate the diverse range of products we manufacture with different sizes. We use ZELL Group's products to carry out precision cleaning, which prevents our products from being damaged during the cleaning process. Previously, without this solution, we were forced to clean parts in a semi-position manner or in bulk, which restricted us to static or tilting wash cycles. Thanks to ZELL Group's solution, we can now perform more accurate cleaning cycles, including rotational washing, and increase the level of protection for our parts during the process. We selected ZELL Group because they allowed us to customize the baskets, trays, and clips we purchased in accordance with our specific needs. At the start of the collaboration, we conducted a joint study to analyze the dimensions of our parts and the size and layout of our cleaning machine. This analysis helped us decide what equipment to purchase and how to customize it. We selected various types of clips that accommodate our entire product range. Using ZELL Group's products has significantly improved the quality of the products we deliver, ensuring 100% that parts do not come into contact during the cleaning process, and allowing us to guarantee 100% product quality. In addition, with the current washing system supported by ZELL Group's equipment, we can process approximately 100,000 parts daily. NTK is committed to developing increasingly complex products to remain competitive in the global market, which has our competitors in countries with lower labor costs. Regarding our collaboration with ZELL Group, our product range expansion will create new opportunities. We anticipate the need for additional customized products to accommodate the new types of products we plan to manufacture. Over time, NTK Europe has increasingly focused on hydraulic products and specializes in ultra-high precision finishes through production processes such as lapping, grinding, and hard turning. These processes have become a distinctive hallmark of NTK. Starting in 2010, NTK Europe expanded its product range by installing new production lines for manufacturing laser-welded actuators. In 2018, the company added production lines for manufacturing coils as the latest milestone in its evolution. Beyond broadening its production range, NTK Europe has also grown territorially by acquiring additional production sites. At NTK's Europe branded co-production site, over 200 employees work, while the NKT Group overall employs approximately 600 people. Our customers include leading global manufacturers of solenoid valves and integrated systems for the hydraulic sector, predominantly the leading global players in the field. We supply our products across 3 continents: Europe, the United States, and Asia. NTK provides custom-designed products developed in close collaboration with our clients. Continuous technological innovation, customer-centric solutions, and a commitment to product and process quality have always been the foundation of NTK's growth strategy. NTK Europe is positioned as a leader in its field and is a globally recognized player.